Embark on a journey to the five wonders of the world. First stop, the mystical ruins of Machu Picchu, Peru. High in the Andes Mountains, this lost city of the Incas showcases ancient brilliance. Moving on, we find the Taj Mahal in the heart of India. An enduring symbol of love, it's a masterpiece of intricate marble design and pristine gardens. Next, the Great Wall of China. Thousands of miles long, this colossal feat of human ingenuity offers stunning landscapes and a glimpse into centuries of history. In Brazil, the Christ the Redeemer statue stands tall above Rio de Janeiro. A symbol of faith and culture, it offers panoramic views of the vibrant city. Finally, the timeless city of Petra, Jordan. Known as the Rose City, its breathtaking rock formations, stunning architecture and rock-cut temples echo with rich history. Thank you for joining this journey to the five wonders of the world.